Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and today I'll show you how to make your voice recording sound better by improving the vocal quality in Audacity using a few effects and tricks. First of all, just record your voice sample, and this is mine. And first step we want to do is to remove the background noise, and to do that, select the part of your recording that is silent over here. If I hit play, you can hear the hum. You can hear the noise. Just select the part, and we will use this part to delete everything that sounds like that. So go to Effect, go over here, Noise Removal and Repair, and go to Noise Reduction, and click Get the Noise Profile. And now the Audacity will get this noise profile, and now all you need to do is select the whole track, go Effect, and you can click Repeat Noise Reduction, or you can go again over here and click Noise Reduction and click OK. And it will reduce the noise of your track. Next step is obvious, just over here trim the unnecessary parts from your voiced track like this. You can silence them if you want. Just select, for example, this part and click over here Silence Audio, and it will be silenced. Let's move on to the compressor. Go to Effect, go Volume and Compression, go to Compressor, and over here you can just leave this as it is and make sure that this makeup gain for 0 decibels after compressing is selected. So it will go back to your original values, and hit Apply, and you can see that your audio is now louder. And the next thing to do is to select again, go to Effect, go to Volume and Compression, and click Normalize, and click Apply, and it will normalize your audio, which will be then it will be perfect. Okay, I'll now undo everything. Sorry. The next step is to add bass boost. To do that, select your track, go to Effect, go to EQ and Filters, and over here Filter Curve EQ, go to Preset and Settings, Factory Presets, and click Bass Boost, click Apply, and it will amplify your bass. Okay, you can also go again EQ and Filters, Filter Curve EQ, and go to Factory Presets and go to Treble Boost, and it will add a treble, so it will look and it will sound nice. And this is practically it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop some likes and comments below, and see you in some other video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.